In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for Just Eat. Start by opening the Just Eat app on your phone or visit the Just Eat website. You will see a clean and user-friendly interface right away. If you're using the app, it should be on your home screen. For those using a web browser, type Just Eat into the search bar or enter the web address directly. This initial step is crucial because it sets the foundation for creating your account. You want to ensure you are on the right platform, either mobile or desktop. Once you have the app open or the website loaded, you are ready to proceed to the next step. Next, tap or click on Create Account or Sign Up. This button is usually prominently displayed to make it easy for users to find. If you prefer, you also have the option to sign up using your Google or Facebook account. This can save you time as it often autofills your details. Choosing this option can also enhance your security as these platforms have robust authentication processes. Either way, make sure you select the right option that suits your needs. After this, you will be directed to the next step in the sign-up process. Enter your details, including your name, email address, password, and delivery address. It's very important to make sure your address is correct. This ensures that your orders will arrive at the right location. The fields for these details are clearly labeled, so take your time to fill them out accurately. If you enter an incorrect email or address, it could lead to issues later on, such as not receiving order confirmations. Once you have filled everything out, take a moment to double-check your information for accuracy before moving on. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish creating your account. The prompts will guide you through the remaining steps, making this process straightforward. You may see a confirmation screen that summarizes your details. This part is designed to ensure that you agree with the information provided and understand the terms of service. Once you have reviewed everything, you can proceed confidently, knowing you are almost done. If asked, enter the verification code sent to your email address to confirm your identity. This step is essential for account security. Check your email inbox for a message from Just Eat. It may take a moment for the email to arrive, so be patient. Once you get the code, enter it on the website or app as prompted. This verification helps to keep your account safe and ensures that you are the one accessing it. After you enter the code correctly, you will be ready to move forward. Once your account is set up, you can browse nearby restaurants and place orders. This is where the fun begins. The Just Eat platform will show you various dining options based on your location. You can easily explore menus, read reviews, and choose the meals you desire. This step is exciting because it opens up a world of culinary choices at your fingertips. You can now enjoy the convenience of ordering food with just a few taps or clicks. If you have trouble signing up, try refreshing the page, clearing your browser's cache and cookies, using an incognito window, or trying a different device. Technical issues can happen to anyone, and knowing how to troubleshoot can save you time and frustration. By refreshing the page or clearing the cache, you can often resolve any glitches that may arise during the sign-up process. If one method does not work, switching to a different device may help you get through. You can create an account on the official Just Eat website at justeat.co.uk. This is your go-to place for all things Just Eat. Whether you're using the app or the website, the steps will be consistent. Following these instructions will have you signing up smoothly and efficiently. Enjoy exploring the world of delicious food options available to you.